Xavier.
So,
what you doing down there?
right now, I already put these kicker speakers in my car. I have them all the way around, so I've got the door speakers and the tower speakers. So I took that out of my mom's SUV and put that in there, and it sounds so much better.
Oh, on your Kia?
Yes, it sounds so much better. And then on Amazon, I had gotten this equalizer. It was only like $53, so it's coming in like Wednesday or Friday or something like that. So I'm gonna put that in there, put it in the car, and hopefully all the music is all crystal clear. And that way I don't have like bass or mid or anything like that going through the door speakers. So that way all my bass goes to only the sub. That's the
I like what I'm hearing so far.
So that way I can blast my speaker louder. But right now, these are the speakers I had in the back that I just forced them.
Okay.
But right now there's this thing called the Chuchetta, which is a voice box. And I want to see if these are still good. I mean, they're broken here and messed up. But you know, I'm still making it work. It's kind of a lousy setup right now, but I'm hooking it up to this amp just because I want to see how loud they get. And yeah, I'm just fucking around pretty much.
Shit. What you forget?
I need a splitter.
Oh.
Yeah, so I need a split. So that way I can have 4 RCAs. So I can have 2 RCAs to come out to 4. So that way I can have both of these. Since I only have one, that means I'm only going to be able to play one.
Oh, I see now.
Alright, before we do anything,
Bro, guys, Kia, what you got?
I have to clean a little bit of the stuff I have cluttered in there.
Oh, that's fine. Got Shrek.
Yeah, I got movies in here because I can play on my radio. How much of these ratings?
Oh shit. Damn.
Y'all seen that meme?
Which one?
Where the kid is, yeah, I like how you said which one. Where he's sniffing the cologne and he was like,
What? God damn it, I can't get the fucking seatbelt on. God. Bro, he's recording. Yeah, I'm sure. Fuck. This is hard to do with one hand. What is this?
it's a Passion, and I think the other one's called something else.
New Corsair. Okay.
Ah, fuck! Son of a...
Bro, tripping, bro. Get the...
Too many fucking pennies, bro. I'm about to throw them away.
Nah, keep them.
For what?
Trust me.
Spare change.
Spare change.
Oh, there's a cat.
Don't you dare run from it, there's no boogeyman. It ain't coming to hurt you. I think acceptance is somewhat of a virtue. To look your truth dead in the face without trying to escape the regret or disgrace. I write these words aimlessly, but not without hope that somehow I'll stumble on something that's dope. A clever little line, a thought to provoke myself in that.
Come on, do a little burble. There it goes.
Okay. How? I got it. Oh, bro, got the whole, oh shit. Bro, it's all about that one grab. Boy, strong lead. Shall we? Hold on.
I'm gonna get that bitch.
Is there anything any more in the car? Oh, bet. I'll go grab it.
Okay.
I open this.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoot. Here we go. You have like a... Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, I felt like I was gonna break something. Bro, that is so wild. That looks so confusing. Oh, shit. I'm tripping. I'm gonna put that... I'm gonna put that down.